Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain Facebook login automation using Python Selenium with the Microsoft Edge browser. So in this, we will learn how Selenium automatically opens the Facebook, enters the username and password and submits the login without any manually typing. So let's begin. First of all, what is a Selenium? Selenium is an open source automation testing tool used to automate web browser, meaning instead of manually opening a website, entering data and clicking buttons, Selenium can do everything through a Python automation script. So, in this example, Selenium opens a Facebook, types the login details, and submits the login page. So, now we will understand the importance of import statements. So, from Selenium, import WebDriver. So, this is important because it imports the WebDriver module, which is responsible for launching and controlling the browser. Next is Selenium WebDriver.common.by import by, meaning the by is present in the common module, common is present in WebDriver, and then WebDriver is present in Selenium. So this is important because the by class is used to locate web elements such as text boxes and buttons. Here we locate elements using their name attribute. So next one is from selenium.webdriver.common.keys import keys. So this import key is useful to import the keyboard keys like enter, tab and escape buttons. In this program we will use keys.enter to submit the form. That is we will see it in further. Next, import time. So this is important because the time model is used to pause the program for a few seconds so that we can observe the browser actions. Now coming to the launching the browser, in this driver equals to webdriver.edge. This line launches the Microsoft Edge driver browser. So Edge is the driver that we want to launch it. Oh, I'm sorry, it is the browser. Next one is this tells the driver dot implicit wait. So this tells Selenium to wait for up to 10 seconds if any web page elements takes time to load. So that we have mentioned here 10. It is your wish, you can give it 1, 2, 3. No, that's not a problem. Next is driver.get, and here we are mentioning a link, that is Facebook link. So the get method opens the Facebook login page automatically. Why? Because we have mentioned the Facebook login URL. Next, coming to the username session. So now the program finds the username text box. After going to the Edge Microsoft Edge driver, so now it finds for the username. So here Selenium searches for the element whose name attribute is email. So the attribute we have given as email, which is a Facebook email field. So it searches. Why? Because we have given the driver.find element email. So it searches for the email. Next, if the user dot is displayed, this line checks whether the text box is visible or not in the web page. If it is visible, then it goes inside the if loop, that is user text box displayed, and then it gets the demo@gmail.com over in the text box. Selenium automatically types the email address into the username field email address. Else, if it is username is not displayed, then it will go to else part, that is print user text box is not displayed. So same for the password section. Here in the password section, the password field works in the same way. Like this finds the password text box. This line finds the password text box. Again, password dot is displayed. If the password text box is available, then it will go to the if condition inside the if and then displays password text box available in the Python console, and then password dot send keys abc at 123. The checkbox, the input box is automatically filled with the abc at 123 password. Else, if the password is not available, then it will go to the else part and display the password text box not available message. So coming to the third section, that is the login. So in login, if the password dot is displayed, if the password is being displayed, then the password dot send keys. What does it do is that since the cursor is already inside the password text box, pressing enter submits the login form automatically. We will be having an enter button. So if after taking the username and password, if uh, if you want to submit the login form, so then password dot send keys dot enter will automatically submit the login form. If not, if password is not available, username also is not available, then it will go to the else part. Login field, password field will be empty and it will display. After this, time dot sleep. So this is an important. This pauses the program for 10 seconds so that we can see the browser after the login attempt. So in the Python PyCharm console, we can see I am back to Python, and then we are quitting the driver. This closes the browser and ends the Selenium session. So now we will execute the program. So now here you can see in PyCharm current file. I'm running the current file. So now it's taking some time. So now you can see that Microsoft Edge is automatically opened, and then Facebook login page loads, email, password, and then now you can see here in the console user text box displayed, password text box available, submitting login, I am back to PyCharm. So after waiting for a few seconds, the browser closes automatically, that you have seen. So now conclusion is that in this you saw that how we can automate the Facebook login page using Python, Selenium and the Microsoft Edge driver. So this program demonstrates the importance of Selenium concepts such as launching a browser, locating web elements, entering a text, and actions closing a web browser. So thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.